Hey guys, today we're talking about occupancy type. Is it a primary house, a secondary home, or an investment property? Occupancy type really matters because it affects the down payment minimum, it affects your interest rate, it affects the mortgage insurance, so it affects a lot of the loan. The primary residence is gonna be the first occupancy type, meaning that you're gonna live in that property. You're gonna occupy it within that first 60 days. It's gonna give you the lowest minimum down payment. It's also gonna get you the lowest interest rate. The second occupancy type is gonna be a second home. Now you can go all the way down to a 10% down payment on a second home, and the interest rates are only slightly higher than the interest rates of a primary residence. Keep in mind, for it to be a second home, it's gotta be a second home. So it's gotta be greater than 50 miles away, and you have to live in it for part of the year. So it could be in a resort style area, and you could even rent it out for part of the year, but it's gotta be greater than that 50 miles, and it's gotta be a second home. You've gotta stay there for part of the year. Now, the third occupancy type is gonna be an investment property. So this is gonna have a down payment minimum of 15%, and these interest rates are gonna be the highest out of all three. And this is gonna be a property that, is an investment property for you that you're renting out. You don't live there for part of the year, or maybe you do live there for part of the year, but it's within that 50-mile window. That's still gonna be an investment property. So keep that in mind. Those are the three occupancy types. If you have any questions, give me a shout, 813-767-4247.